Jordan 675 out of level 60 for 100.
Several Jordan 675, come to flight level 200.
Time 200, Jordan 675.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are about CVN-74 USS Tennis. It's a sunny day with clear skies, and today in this video I am going to do a quick startup for A-18 Hornet. Well, this is my very first video and hence your feedback will be appreciated. This is our cool and dark aircraft. Let's jump inside and get started. Looks like our lieutenant is all set with his GoPro mounted for startup. First off, before start checks. And that's a launch on Cat 3. Anyways, let's do our checks. Zoom in a bit. Our box off, hydraulics normal, circuit breakers in, engine crank off, APU off, throttles off, Genti normal, parking brakes engaged, jettison safe, launch bar retract, master switch safe. We'll set UFC after startup. Hooks up, wings folded, batteries off. Radar off, INS off, right circuit breakers in, FCS bit off. Let's go ahead and start our battery first. Battery on, indication 23.5 volts, brake pressure 3000. Perform fire test 8.
Engine fire left. Engine fire left. Engine fire right. Engine fire right. APU fire. APU fire. Bleed air left. Bleed air left. Bleed air right. Bleed air right.
And now we can wait for 7 seconds for circuit to reset. Or we can recycle the battery, just like this. Now we're good to do fire test speed.
Engine fire left. Engine fire left. Engine fire right. Engine fire right. APU fire. APU fire. Bleed air left. Bleed air left. Bleed air right. Bleed air right.
Fire test looks good. No APU accumulation. Let's go ahead and start our APU. APU on. APU is live. Let's crank right engine. Okay, looking for 25% of RPM on IV. Right throttle to idle. Right engine should stabilize at 63% of RPM. Right engine stabilized. That's our ground proximity warning system on self-test and FCS warnings. Reset the caution. Left DDI set today, right DDI set today. HUD brightness set. Altitude to radar, attitude to auto. MCPD brightness set. Bleed to 360 clockwise. It's a good idea to close the canopy now. INS to CV. It takes about 2 minutes for inertial navigation system to align on carrier. Now let's set FCS page on left DDI. Here we have controls to reset. We'll go ahead and press the reset button. Press stop OSB on right DDI. Light test. Hold the switch for 5 seconds. And there you go. No caution for right engine. Cranking left. Looking for 25% of RPM on IV. Left throttle to idle. Left engine is stabilized. APU should be auto off in a minute. box on, anti-skid off, flaps half, hook bypass carrier. Radar set to operate. Press FCS MC OSB. MC 1 and 2 go. Let's perform bit test. Bit switch on. Press FCS simultaneously. Now we see controls articulating on FCS page. On the left side, and on the right side, just as you see. With that tone, we have FCS A and B go. APS disconnected now. Press time UFC on AMPCD, and we have Zulu time on HUD. Press takeoff trim. Stab set to 12 degrees. Pitot is set to auto. Radar altimeter set to 80 feet for CB. Bingo to 5000. Flight controls. 24 aft. 3 forward. 22 left. 22 right. Rudder. 30 left. 30 right. Uncaged standby instrument.
1, passing waypoint 2 at 7,000. 311, passing waypoint 3 at 7,000.
INS set to nav. Let's go ahead and set FCS page on right DDI. Set TAC and 74 extra. Course select set to 000. Now we are all set to taxi for cat launch. Do subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you for watching. Ejection arm, harness set.